because we want to see this stuff. All right, this is Leo's personal case. 5-box case of dun 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 upside down. We'll probably go ahead. We'll probably have to nix the other immaculate because I'm going to get off after this case. Yeah, we'll have to reline it tomorrow night because after I do this one, I'm going to have to get off because I'm starting to get worn out, and I'm going to go to bed. It's been a long couple days with the cruise and everything. Yeah, it just came out. Normally, if I wasn't so worn out from being on vacation or being on the cruise, and then Christmas morning and stuff, I'd stay on and knock another one out. But I'm pretty beat. Yeah, I'll make something for tomorrow. I might have to run down to the card shop tomorrow because I don't have that much product. But Bob will hook me up with something for mixers. I have not opened any of this yet, so this is all going to be new, cool stuff. This is. I heard it was pretty good. I just was out. I was out to see when it came out. So here we go. Good luck, Mr. Leo. 2015 Immaculate Multi-Sport College Edition. College Edition. The only hockey I have is some loose boxes of Prime hockey from a couple years ago. Interesting. That's the only. And I might have. I have 2005, 2006 Be a Player 8x10 hockey. Yeah, I will show you. I don't know what year it is because somebody bought. I had 2 years of it, but somebody bought. I don't know what year I have, Fugoof. Let me finish this case and then I'll check and see. I have the prices and the link down below, but I'm out of a lot of stuff. J.J. Watts, 91 of 99. J.J. Schwat from Wisconsin. Clive Wolford, 19 of 25. Short print base. Looks like Allie Mallet. Some girl basketball player. Rookie. 34 of 99. I don't know who that is. But I don't follow the WNBA. Well, good. I'm glad it is. I just don't follow the WNBA. Taylor Ward on card. 24 of 99. What's up, Migsy? He's an Angels guy. This is a personal case for Leo, so it's all going to him. Well, they got the autographs on front. That's weird. Kevin White and Mario Alford. Yeah, I haven't looked at any of the baseball rookies yet, so I don't do a lot of the prospecting stuff. Dean Carey, University of Arizona. Yeah, I got a case of it just to see it, but it's hard to break. Nice, Melvin Gordon. Bet you the University of Wisconsin people go crazy because he was a monster up there. I bet you that sells better than his NFL one. Leo probably won't sell much until he sees it. And then he'll probably send it back to me to sell. R.J. Hunter, 2-color patch autograph. 98 of 99. He likes to look at the stuff first. See what he's going to keep. That's box 1. Seems like there was a lot of hits in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hits. There's only supposed to be 5. So there was an extra hit and 2 base. I don't know if that's the way they all are. But there was an extra hit there. All right. Well, he'll be in here tomorrow night. If you want to stop back by, he'll be in here tomorrow night, I'm sure. He's got some family over right now, and they're partaking in some liquid refreshments. But we wanted to see this, so he said go ahead and open it and just record it. He'll watch it later. Ooh. This one's thick. I don't know what kind of thick stuff. I know they got sneaker cards. There's just a lot of cards in here. I don't think there's any thick ones. Looks like Reggie Jackson to 99. Chin strap cards. Yeah, I saw those too. Mikey Matuk, Mikey Matuk, something like that. To 99. Yeah, it's about the same as football. Baseball's gone down quite a bit. Baseball's gone down a little bit, but there's 8 boxes in baseball. There's only 5 in this. Charles Sims, Kevin White, and Mario Alford, 8 of 25 patches, West Virginia. The Ohio State University. Oh, that's a good one. D'Angelo Russell. Lake Show. I actually have been playing him a lot in DraftKings. I think he's a little small. I don't know. Teddy B. 3-color patch. Teddy Bridgewater, 19 of 99. Teddy B. South Carolina, Mike Davis. What? Mike Davis. Uh-oh, this next one might be big. It's who I think it is. It's gonna be a monster. I don't know if it's who I think it is. It's not who I thought it was, but still I think it's pretty good. Justice Winslow. 9 of 10. I thought it was, but it's still pretty good, I think. Justin Winslow, beautiful patch. Yeah, there's 3 different sports in it. '21 of 99, Stanley Johnson. No hockey, just baseball, basketball, and foosball. And rookie Cliff Alexander on card. Seems like there was a lot of hits in that box, too. So they're producing more hits than they say. Yeah, this has the new basketball rookies, though. It has D'Angelo, Russell, and Towns, and Okafor. So it has the new basketball rookies in a higher end product. Another thick ass box. Man, that's the first time I swore tonight. I shouldn't be swearing. I shouldn't be swearing. That's not good. Oh, there's a thick one in here. Maybe we got a specialty one. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Jamal Charles. Shaq Thompson /99. Tony Lippett /99 rookie autograph. Looks like a helmet. Oh, that's good. Number 1 overall pick. Dansby Swanson, 15/99. That's a good one. Jameis Winston, 9/14. Helmets. Team helmets. That's not going to fit in a 240. That's going to have to go in a slide box. I think it's the logo sticker off the helmet, tell you the truth. This is pretty nasty looking. Rashad Green. Rashad Green. No, it's Leo's. For the Georgia Bulldogs, going to the Kansas City Chiefs, Chris Conley, 48/99. And Terry Rozier, 2-color patch. I don't know. I know some of the basketball rookies this year, but I don't know all of them. Because I haven't really got into the basketball product yet this year. This stuff's pretty nice. I mean, it's hard to break, but it's pretty nice. It's not horrible. Yeah, I'll take some pictures for Leo afterwards. I told him I would. He's my buddy, my pal. I know that Swanson's pretty big. I know that much. I want to see one of the multi-sport dual autographs. That would be pretty cool. Oh, that last one could be a monster. The last card could be a monster. 49/99, Roger Clemens. Bo Wallace, 11/25, University of Mississippi. Andrew Harrison, on card /99. Charles Sims, Kevin White, Mario Alford. We've got 2 of those cards. If one's good, 2 has to be better. If one is good, 2 has to be better. I think it's like, I think it came out at like $3.75 a box, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I really haven't looked all that much at it. I just ordered a case. Jordan Mickey, Mickey, rookie caps, 13 of 14. Not familiar with him. I think it came out at $3.75 a box. Panini has a 15-day price lock. It can't go up. It can't go down below MSRP for the first 15 days. So I think it'll probably be at $3.75 for at least a while. Jamison Crowder. I didn't know he played at Duke. Now he plays. Went from Duke to Washington. Wow, good for him. 16 of 99. This last card could be a monster. Another Chris Conley. Georgia Bulldogs represented heavily in this. 90 of 99. It is a monster. Two-color patch. Jahlil Okafor, 20 of 25, short print. I think there's like 12 conferences, something like that. I don't know. I just got one case because I wanted to see it, and I was going to do it in mixers, but it didn't have any love, so Leo said he'd just buy the case. Okafor is pretty cool. Short print RPA. Yeah, he'll be all right. He's young. He'll get it right. He'll get it right. Calvin Johnson to 99, Megatron. Georgia Institute of Technology. How many players do you think the Georgia Institute of Technology has put in the NFL, if you had to guess? Chris Bryant to 99. I would have to guess it was probably a pretty low number. Tom, you're a savage. Tom Savage. Two-color paint patch from the Pittsburgh Panthers. Tom Savage. Ah, nice. Jabari Parker. 23 of 25. Tyler Beatty. Is that pitcher from Vanderbilt? Yeah. I think he was like did he go fifth? Is he the one that went fifth from Vanderbilt? Let me see if it says where he went. Huh. Doesn't say when he was drafted, but I think he went pretty high. Doug Flutie. The old Boston College Doug Flutie. 44 of 99. T.J. Yelton. 83 of 99. There's only 5 boxes instead of 6. 5 boxes instead of 6. So. And the last one is Daylon Wright. Daylon Wright. Yeah, there's only 5 boxes instead of 6 in this case. Baseball has 8. Football has 6. This multi-sport has 5. Basketball had 5 this year, I think. So, Okay. I think it'll go down a little bit just because it's in college. And if it goes down a little bit, I would do it. I would do more of it. All right.